fresh produce is not easy to get right now, so I have been eating carnivore. I take magnesium and potassium already. Is there another supplement I should be taking? So one tip would be to get some organ meat into your diet. We have been able to find organ meat. Doesn't seem to be super popular, specifically beef liver, right?
Yeah, beef liver. If you're into heart and you want to, heart is pretty good. Both of those are like rock stars for density of vitamins and minerals.
Yeah, and take a look at Keto Chow's products. So Keto Chow has mixes that are vitamin fortified, so that's a great way to get more minerals. And then they also have some electrolyte supplements that we absolutely love. I know I stole the bottle. I don't know, there they are. I actually have a bottle. Miriam, you gave me this bottle at the conference, and yeah, turn it. Yeah. So we use these electrolyte drops, and they have some different products based on what you want. This one's magnesium, chloride, and potassium. So take a look at things like that. Yeah, so Keto Chow is a great thing to take a look at. You can just go to ketochow.com, and they do ship internationally, so check that out.
And you get to pick your fat source.
Yes.
That's what I love the most about the Keto Chow product is I get to pick the fat source that goes into my shake.
I like to use MCT oil.
I like avocado oil, but also like hot butter.
Yeah,
it's good.
So check that out. So other nutrients, you can look at vitamin C. So one way you can do like lemon juice, if you can get your hands on lemon juice, is a great natural way to bring up your vitamin C. I know that I've been hearing supplements are sold out. We used Young Living vitamin C, and they were in stock when I just looked. So there are still places you can get vitamin C, just maybe not on Amazon. I kind of hesitate to buy supplements off Amazon anymore. So those are a couple things, and you can always look at a high quality multivitamin as well if you're really worried about nutrients. But just pay attention to your body. Usually the things you're most deficient in are things like magnesium, which you can get, through electrolytes, which are really important with a ketogenic diet. Anyhow.
Yeah.
And of course you can also get magnesium through Epsom salt baths.
Yeah.